Estoy viendo aquí.
Ok. Mira que estamos trabajando con los animales aquí. Of the English is just the idea is wrong. They're trying to say in the video and write it there as well. And then I'll review it again. Buenos del Dropbox. Eso es simplemente para que tengas el podcast.
Just giving the final touch up and after that they will be ready.
Check the grammar again, okay?
Empezar a trabajar arduamente.
Ok. Estamos, el chico este te pide de corregir. Hola, Sel.
Hola, ¿cómo estamos hoy?
¿Qué está?
Está lloviendo aquí.
Ok. Mira que estamos trabajando con los animales aquí. ¿Acabas de despertar?
Sí. Sí, acá despertarme ya empezar a trabajar arduamente.
Ok. Que estamos, el chico este te pide de corregir unas cosas, ok? Habla con él. Un abrazo. Chao.
Ok.
Chao, chao.
Listo.
Yes, Jack.
Hello? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm correcting the... Where did you get this article on lasers?
Yeah, actually I tried to find from the NIC website also, but I didn't get much from that website.
Where did you get it from? Where did you get it from?
Xanthoplasma treatment
Okay.
and some part of xanthoplasma treatment. I guess a lot of parts from the xanthoplasma treatment.
Okay, good. I'll change it because it's all full of rubbish. Okay?
Yeah, I'm just finishing the xanthoplasma and high cholesterol link. Just
Okay.
finishing that. Just checking the.
Yeah.
I'm just
Okay.
checking the grammatical mistakes. I saw some mistakes and just fixing that.
Yes.
After that,
We're gonna do it a number of times to make sure that this website is fully functioning and without any mistakes.
yeah,
I'm working on.
I'm
So
checking that article.
yeah,
Yes,
to let you know
okay.
that the article that you copied is rubbish. So I'm changing it now. It's rubbish. It's not because of the English. It's just the idea is wrong. They're trying to sell their treatment, so they're slagging laser treatment.
Yeah, that's why I'm mentioning your last call, because I also would like to tell you, because that the article is not related to our video, because in that video you are talking about why the lasers are not performing, why the people are not using the lasers, and that because you give us 4 reasons: expensive and needed training
Yeah.
to use lasers. But in that article, nothing like that. It is just saying lasers are not good, unsafe, and that thing.
Okay. Yeah. You got it from the other guys. I can tell.
Yeah, but I understand pretty much in our video.
Yeah.
That's why I'm saying our video is really easy to understand that article, because I don't understand. I don't understand the YAG laser. I just read and it goes over my mind, but I didn't understand what the YAG laser.
Okay. Let's do it this way then. Let's do it this way. Let me correct it first, and then you go over it again, and you keep creating content that is more in line to what I say.
Yeah.
So let's do it this way. So I'll correct it now. I'll change it. We're gonna do a few back and forth here. I'm changing it now. Then you take over later on today, and paraphrase and just take it from what I say in the video and write it there as well. And then I'll review it again. Do you understand?
Yeah, I
that?
understand. I understand that.
So because I think what they write is, I just don't agree with it.
Yeah, I'm also not agree. I was also try to write that thing which you are mentioning mentioned in the video. So, but that's it. But I thought the article is finished. That's why I send you, because to look at once. So is it fine or not?
Well, let's do this way. If you can do this way. You change it yourself then. No, let me change it. Okay, let me change it first. I'll change it, and then you change it.
Yeah, I'll change it. Then I'll change it.
Yeah,
And
I'll change it first.
finishing
I'll change it. I'm working on it now, and then I'll pass it to you.
Yeah, because right now I'm just finishing the
Yeah.
Xanthlasma and Castrol link, and after that I'm just finishing the TC and other pages which we have done, just giving the final touch up, and after that they will be ready.
Check the grammar again, okay? You check the grammar again, because I've seen a few mistakes. I left them there, so you read it again. Be immaculate, because we're gonna go and leave them extremely good, this freaking website. Okay, good, bye bye. Sahel, los audios lo tienes ya en el Dropbox. Estos, espérate, estos que te acabo de enviar, que te envío los audios buenos del Dropbox. Esto es simplemente para que tengas el podcast, ¿ok? Y también los ficheros del video del computador. Entonces tiene todo, puedes elegir lo que te guste más, como audio y todo. Espera que te enviaré los audios del micrófono. Entonces utiliza, antes trabaja en los otros que te pasé ayer. Acuérdate es que tienes que corregir lo que te dijo el Jag que creo que tienes unos videos malos.